Hey there, welcome back. Best used big rigs for sale. Something a little bit different today. Big old heavy spec triaxle Kenworth T800, 2015 T800 factory triaxle, full double frame, 14,000 front, 46,000 pound rear end with the 20K pusher. 440,000 miles, 550 horsepower, heavy torque 13-speed transmission. Completed through our shop, fresh DOT detail, absolutely ready to work. See here, it's got the longer fifth wheel slide on it, nice deep rubber, freshly polished rims, headache rack ready to rock and roll. Local fleet trade-in, super well maintained truck, lots of life left in her. Jump up inside and let you see the condition there as well. As you can see, the seats aren't all torn up, good condition. Dash isn't beat up. Jump over here. Full gauge package. As you can see. Back here, 62-inch sleeper. Not the biggest size that Kenworth offers. They do offer 72, but 62 is plenty of room. Be comfortable back there if you're doing something longer than a regional haul. You got plenty of room to sleep, nice and comfortable. Best I can tell, non-smoking truck, guys. It doesn't smell smoky at all. Really well maintained. Like I said, 440,000 miles on it, 550 horsepower, triaxle, full double frame, ready to haul heavy. $84,950 is the price. I do offer financing on that as well. Got really low interest rates right now, so if you got good credit, you've had some truck financing in the past, I can get you a really low rate, low down, as low as $0 down with perfect credit. So anyways, give me a call, 816-841-2072. If you've been looking to make the switch and get over into doing some heavy haul stuff, or if that's what you do already and you're just looking to add to your fleet. Super nice truck, ready to roll, turnkey. Give me a shout, 816-841-2072. Thanks.